All right, I'm all here for the block party.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I'm gonna cut all 72 blocks out today because I have the AccuQuilts and all of these dies now.
Well, so do
I'm so excited. Are you excited?
I'm really excited.
I even got the book. I don't know, she said it went with it.
Oh, cool.
So I got that too.
Well,
Okay, where do we start?
I got those dies too, but I got mine in this cube, the Go Cube.
What?
Yeah, it's a Go Cube. So
Oh,
this is all of
check
your
it out.
dies, but it's in this nice little storage thing. And what we got here, I can just fold these guys out, and I can have all of my dies showing. And it tells me exactly what they are, and they're numbered so they can all go back away.
Oh, so is this that die? There.
Yeah, that's that die right there in front. And I got that book too, but I got mine for free.
What?
Yeah,
What?
because I purchased this cube. I got it for free.
Wait, so you got all the dies that we need and to make these 72 blocks,
Plus
all
the
in this little
storage.
container.
Yeah, and it's the storage too. Isn't that awesome? And it's really pretty and it's colorful.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow. Okay. What? Okay, what's this?
That is a little pattern guide. So you get a starter DVD, you get quite a few patterns, and you get your cutting mat inside of this. Isn't that cool?
Cutting mat.
Yeah, the cutting mat comes with.
I should have bought mine.
Like I was studying.
I didn't even get one yet.
I was studying this pattern that came into it before you came over because I just like the way it looks, and I can use it with this exact cube, my 8-inch cube.
That's cool. How does that work? Tell me.
How does that work? So basically, it just tells me how many cuts I need to make, and it tells me how much yardage of each fabric that I need, and these numbers correspond with these guys down here, so I know exactly where everything goes.
Which are these numbers?
Exactly, right here. So everything that comes with your pattern corresponds with these guys, that way you know exactly which one is which. And I think one of the actually really cool parts about this storage system is the fact whenever he's laying down, I can see exactly which die is where. So I can just pull it right out instead of having to open it up every time. Isn't that
Wow.
cool?
That's really cool.
Yeah. And even on the side here, you can see which different types of blocks you have inside of here. So you don't have to dig through anything. And all of this is over 40% off when you buy it in a cube than if you buy it all separate. Isn't that cool?
What?
Yeah, I saved 40% buying a cube.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. I should get probably a cube. Better storage.
I would recommend a cube because I get
And I
all
love
of
how it's
this.
numbered like that.
Exactly.
So you know which piece goes with which, and they're all gonna stay together. Like those are the 8s.
Mhm.
Because if I decide later to get another die that doesn't
Yeah.
fit in that mix,
And
that
then
is really cool.
on the side of our cube here, you can make all of these
Block
72
party.
blocks in our block party.
That's cool.
Isn't that cool?
Wow.
Yeah, so those
Okay.
are all of the possibilities.
Wow. Okay. So what sizes of blocks could we make with that?
These are going to be 8-inch finished blocks,
Okay.
which is really, really cool.
Which
So-
is what all these were for.
Exactly, those are all
Yeah.
for the 8-inch blocks, but these guys...
Okay. So let's say I want to buy another one, but to do a different size. Is there another size block for those?
Oh yeah, there's plenty of blocks for these.
Oh,
Would
but
you
other
like
sizes?
to see them?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Let's go look at them, shall we? So we also have a 6-inch block for
Mhm.
little smaller blocks.
Mhm.
And then on the side here, you can see all of the different blocks that you're going to get inside of here to make that 6-inch finished block.
So are these the same shapes that were in that
That
other
8-inch
box?
Yeah, these are the exact same shapes, but the block is going to finish at 6 inches instead
Okay.
of the 8.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so I could get it in 6 or then in the 8.
Yep, you can do a 6, we have an 8, we have a 9,
Wow.
and then we also have a 10 and a 12.
Cool.
Yeah.
So really, like any of my patterns that I have at home, like could translate into this stuff.
Exactly, and then that's 40% in savings that you get when you get the cubes for any size of the cubes.
Wow.
Which is really, really cool.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's really cool.
Yeah.
But I have one other question. So what if I have a quilt pattern at home? I'm just thinking about I have a quilt pattern at home that this one of these shapes the shapes in the quilt is not in here.
We have companion sets for our cubes, which
tell
is
me
really
more about
cool.
that.
So we have one's called corners and one's called angles. You get 4 dies in here, which is really cool. So you can expand the amount of different shapes that you can make within the section size. For your
I see
different
these are
finish.
numbered 13 through 16. So
And
it
then
just
this
carries
is 9
on.
through 12.
So yeah, that's the square or the triangle that I need to finish my quilt.
Yeah.
So I just need this and the original cube to get the other pieces that I need.
Exactly. Which
That
is
is
really,
so
really cool.
cool.
Yeah.
Okay,
And-
block party is getting awesomer.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
And then you also have companion sets with your 8-inch, your 9, your 10, and your 12. And the corners and the angles, which is really cool.
Wow.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
awesome.
cool. Let's do this. Okay, wow, this is really cool. I think
yeah.
I want the companion of the 8-inch because that's the pieces that I got. And you're saying I'm going to get basically like a discount on this because I'm buying this whole group.
Exactly. You will get an extra
Okay,
discount on
I'm
that.
totally doing this because this is going to help block party.
Okay,
Gonna make
perfect.
block party more
And then
awesome.
the coolest part about it, you're going to get this free book here.
What?
Yeah, by Eleanor Burns that has all of these different ideas in here. And just like the little patterns that come inside of the cubes,
Oh,
it's
yeah,
laid
they're
out the
numbered.
same way.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Numbered. Oh, I see this. Numbered 8-inch cube size. We're going to need a 4 and 11.5-inch piece folded in half to make that block. And how to piece it. That's important. That's important.
Yeah. So
Cool.
this is a...
Thank you.
Yeah, that's for
All
you.
right. Yay, block party souvenir.
Block party.